So I think that what Live On Moroccan Silk Serum has done is made it a lot easier because it really helps to disentangle your hair, which then helps it to stay stronger, protected, it doesn't break as much, and you feel a lot more confident, and your hair looks smoother, shinier, silkier, and you feel really good.
Yeah, but I totally agree with you because a lot of women face these problems. I mean, we all have these issues. Like you said, even after we have a bath and, you know, our hair is all tangled, that's the biggest issue we face. But with this, it actually...
I think what Soha said was right. It really breaks your heart. And I think only women can understand that. That when you brush and then all the hair that comes out, you start counting them. So yeah, I think that's like a very big worry for a lot of women.
And what's I think one of the best qualities is it actually is quite non-sticky.
That's
right?
true, actually. What I like about it is that you don't have to, of course, depending on how long your hair is, you use an appropriate amount. But it's really non-sticky, and what I especially like about Live On Moroccan Silk Serum is that it smells nice. It's got a really exotic fragrance to it as well.
And I think what's really important is because you also have to do up your hair, like we have to, you know, sort of go out for an event, but it's not sticky and it's not heavy on the hair. So that, I think, is a very big plus for me.
Yeah, otherwise your hair falls flat. So this gives it that keeps, you know, a shininess and a bounce, which is very nice.
So basically, it actually can prevent the hair from breakage and make it even weak, because that's what happens when it's detangled, it breaks, it becomes weak, and that's the last thing we want with our precious hair, our crowning glory,
yes,
like
exactly.
we know. All right, but what exactly would you say in detail? What does it do to your hair? Do you have all the answers for that, or?
I think actually we should perhaps call the Live On hair expert to answer more complicated questions.
That's perfect. This is the perfect time to do that. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Cool hairstylist of Bollywood, who is the person behind the breathtaking looks of many Bollywood actors we all idolize, from Aishwarya Rai Bachchan to Sonakshi Sinha to Alia Bhatt and many more. She has styled them all. So please welcome Kanta Motwani.
Thank you for such a warm welcome. And you know, we're just talking about this wonderful magic. I don't know what to say. It's like
It's
magic,
a lovely serum.
You know?
Yes, it's a magical serum.
Fabulous serum. It's one of the best that I've used, and it's so light. It's like really light. You don't feel that you have it on. You know, you can just wash your hair and just.
You can work with the hair.
Yeah. I feel, you know, it's also because it has argan oil, which is the essence of this
Absolutely.
Live On Moroccan hair serum. It has argan oil, so argan oil has a lot of good properties. You know, it's like fantastic. It's keeps your hair very soft, silky, shiny, and doesn't weigh it down. And Live On has a correct amount of argan oil. You know, the goodness of argan oil is, it's like really wonderful. It moisturizes your hair. It makes the hair bouncy. It doesn't weigh it down. So it's like really
I think the
wonderful.
biggest, for me, the biggest plus in this product is that I really like how my hair naturally is. You know, the body that it has, the waves or whatever, the texture of my hair. So it doesn't change the texture of my hair. It's very light on the
In
hair.
fact, it softens it.
It softens it,
Yeah.
and it's easier to work with the hair after you put it. You
Usually
know, so.
people are scared of it being sticky, but in this case, it's not at all, right? But it has other ingredients too. Like,
Yeah,
and the
it
benefits,
has UV filters. You know, so
Absolutely.
you can go out in the sun. It works like a sunscreen for your hair.
How ideal is that? You put this lovely serum on. It smells great. You can step out. It protects your hair from the sun. It leaves it detangled. That's fantastic. And I believe it even has Japanese conditioning agents. That's correct.
Also vitamin E.
Ah, yes.
You know, it's like that's very good for nourishing your hair and, you know, just
For strengthening it.
yeah,
as well.
strengthening it. And also it makes it bouncy, you know, because it's not weighing it down. So you can style it the way
Beautifully.
you want it. Yeah.
Awesome. That's beautiful. So I believe there is Soha. I have heard that you have
You should
been
never
to...
start statements like that. I get very nervous.
I have heard.
I have heard.
Everyone's ears are going to go up, and they're like, okay, now they're all attentive. Now they're all attentive.
I don't know. Yeah, please finish your sentence quickly.
Start with that. No,
So here we go.
So I have heard that.
I deny it. I deny it completely.
All right. So you have been to Morocco, is that correct?
Yes. Yes, I've been to Morocco twice.
You've been to Morocco twice. Now, I would like, I mean, because we were chatting earlier, and I've also heard about your lovely adventures there. I want to hear a little bit about it.
Actually, I went to Morocco when I was a student, and we went on camels. We took, Alison, Tom, and I took 3 camels, and we went into the Sahara Desert, and we spent 4 nights under the sun. And it was beautiful, but that's not what you're here to listen to. What I also remember about Morocco, I know, I'll tell you about that later. But
The adventure continues.
What I also noticed is that the Moroccan women have such gorgeous hair, and I'm sure that you know what I'm talking about. They have this thick, lustrous, shiny hair, and I realized, and I asked them about it as well, and I understood that there is a tribe of women, they're called Berber women in Morocco, and they have discovered actually where in the argan fruit and the oil that comes from it, they've discovered the process of extracting the oil from the argan fruit. And it takes them 20 hours to painfully extract 1 liter of argan oil. And imagine all the work that goes into that. And then they apply that to their hair, and that's what makes it so shiny and beautiful. And what now Livon has done is made that available to all of us in India without all of that difficult work, which I think is incredibly wonderful. So I'm very excited that this product is now available for us to use without having us, having us slave over.
Without having us go to Morocco.
No, without
Exactly.
working like the Berber women
Exactly.
for 20 hours and getting
just-
1 liter.
yeah,
Yeah, it
I think
definitely
it's-
made my life very easy.
But it's
Especially
convenient,
workers,
it's
yeah.
accessible, and
Exactly.
economical. I mean, everyone can access it now.
Absolutely. It's very reasonably priced as well.
That's fantastic. So I also believe that the Moroccan, the silk serum, it has, like you said, it has a UV filter, so it protects and
It
keeps
protects and keeps it healthy. And I mean, you don't need anything else. You just use this, and it's like simply the best.
And that's what I think the best thing to do is the minute you have a bath and your hair is still, towel dried and damp, that's when you put just 1 or 2 squirts of it from the pump. You put it through, your hair, the ends of your hair, and it disentangles it almost immediately. So your hair doesn't break, which is the most important thing.
That's fantastic. And it's amazing how Livon has brought this breakthrough product for all our hair concerns with, like you said, with just 1 dab or just 2 dabs of Livon Moroccan Silk Serum. And it's something I think it's easy to fall in love with.
Yes,
and it's
it
something you
is.
can't wait to get your
Definitely.
hands on.
And it smells really good. So even
That's
when you
the
go
best
to
part.
bed, like at night, sometimes you can just like sort of have this nice smell in your hair. No, but I think these are things that really are important to women. It's very feminine. It just smells nice.
I think it's
it
important
feels
to some
good.
men as well.
Yeah, and I somehow just feel that, sometimes women wash their hair, and because they can't detangle it, they just tie it up in a bun.
I do
think
that
it
all the
looks
time.
very,
Yeah.
it doesn't look as nice,
No, probably
when
not.
you leave your hair down.
I should stop doing that.
That's fantastic. So basically, it's an all-in-one serum, like we can summarize it and say that, and it works for all hair types, whether it's frizzy, rough, different lengths, of course, like you have long hair and your hair. So would you say?
I just feel that less is more. You can just use very little. Just take 2 pumps and just put it on your mid-lengths to ends. And whatever's left in your hair, you just put it on your hair. Your scalp doesn't need it. It's your hair which needs to soften, and so it doesn't make it very flat. People get worried. Oh, my hair is very fine. Can I use it? Of course you can use it, but use very little. Maybe 1 pump on very fine hair. But I think
Fantastic.
2 pumps is enough for most lengths. And if you need more, just take more. That's it.
So
Just one more
frizzy-free
drop.
hair, soft hair, silky hair, shiny hair, and all this in one little beautiful, exotic bottle, which is the Livon Moroccan Silk Serum. So today we all have been given access to this beauty secret, which beautiful women all over the world have. And it is available in the form of Livon Moroccan Silk Serum with multiple benefits. So all of you women, make sure you go out and get your hands on the serum and get freedom from dry, dull, frizzy hair, because freedom is fabulous. And I'm sure you all agree to that. So I would like to open this round to some question answers. Like if questions, if you all have to address them, you're most welcome to ask them questions right now. Okay, we have one question. The
Yeah.
gentleman.
Hi, this is Zohaib from media. Over here, Soha and Chitrang, the both of you, looking great, absolutely. Since both of you are Bollywood celebrity and a public figure as well, so whenever the kind of aura and the stardom is attached to your persona, is that people follow you like anything, whatever you say, whatever you speak, that becomes the news. So when it comes to endorsing a product, how cautious are you about the credibility of the product, and what's your criteria of endorsing any product or whatever?
Okay. I think it's very important. As you said, nowadays especially, actors have become role models and people do follow you. I still am of the belief, though, that everyone should make their own decisions. And when people say you're a youth icon, I say yes, but to an extent. I don't want people to blindly follow me. You must read the leaflet and make your own decisions always and take responsibility. Having said that, when it comes to the products that I endorse, I absolutely have to look into the credibility of the company, look at the product, use the product myself. So that's something that, you know, the both of us have done. So that when we tell you that it has these wonderful properties and it does enhance the quality of your hair, we can say it with 100% credibility.
Yeah, exactly the same thing, pretty much. But I just think that, you know, it's, if there's something that you believe in and it already has a certain amount of credibility, it's easier to endorse something like that. Instead of, you know, because I think somewhere or the other you can tell when you're selling a lie. But I can tell you one thing, that today, here, standing here, the kind of products that this company's come out with earlier, I think you definitely can't question, if that's what you're asking, the credibility of this, you know, company or this product today. So we completely endorse it because I think it's really good and I've used it myself. So yeah.
मेरा सवाल आप चारों से
Okay, there's a question. This gentleman in front, you have a question?
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन से
We can't hear you, sir. If you could.
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन लियोन मोरक्कन सेरम जो इतना लेट इंडिया में लॉन्च किया है, इसका रीजन क्या है?
Please repeat that, sir.
I think that the company has to answer this, I guess.
Yeah, I think one thing is better late than never. So it's good that it's here. I think that also, you know, I think it's taken a lot of time to discover. I mean, we've only just, you know, the argan fruit, the process of extracting it, then bringing it from Morocco to India. Now this is available in different parts of the world. So I'm just happy that it's here.
And don't forget the 20 hours that goes into it.
Exactly. It's not an easy process.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. This is Raj from media.
Hello.
I'd like to ask Soha and Chitra, what is the USP of this Livon product?
For me, I would say the USP is the detangling element, because that's what the serum really does. That's why when you apply it, when your hair is at its weakest, just after you wash it and it's a little wet and it has that tendency to get entangled, my hair always does. And when I comb it, it's a very difficult process for me because, as Chitrangada said, you actually count how much of your hair breaks. So if you apply this product then, it really helps to disentangle your hair and therefore protect it and save it.
What about you?
And yeah, no, it's pretty much the same thing. But it's just that for me, what worked when I used it was that it doesn't make your hair limp. Like वो soft हो जाता है, लेकिन sometimes what happens, the hair becomes very limp. आप उसको style नहीं कर सकते हैं. It doesn't hold its body. But this product is so light on the hair, and it makes it soft that even after that you can make your, like, you can curl your hair, you can do things, and the hair doesn't fall flat. So for me, or for a stylist, I think that's a really important thing. So.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. The gentleman in front.
Hi, this is Sohail from Glamsham. My question is to both of you all. Nowadays we see in our artists go to an extent like where if there's a certain kind of a role to getting into the character, they go bald also, in fact. We're talking about hair. So in case if a certain role which comes to you where you have to go bald, in fact, so would you be accepting that role? Or you
It really depends on how amazing the thing is. It has to somewhere affect you enough. It has to excite you enough to want to do that. So yeah, I think I would, but you know, it just depends on the role. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it depends on who the director is, and it depends. You know, now you can computers, you can see what you look like bald. So I want to see what I look like bald. I think
I've actually,
No, first on the
I've cut my hair really short for a film. There's a film called Inkar that I did, and they wanted me to play a corporate woman. So at that time, I remember I had very long hair, and Sudhir Mishra, who was directing, said that, no, it doesn't matter. I need you to look like one of those corporate women who have very short hair. So my hair went down that short. Kanta cut my hair. She was the one. I remember her asking me like 2-3 times, are you sure? Are you sure you want to cut your hair? And yeah. Yeah,
But
and
you
after
carried that look really well, I must say.
Thank
It
you. But
complimented
yeah, so
you.
sometimes you do that. I mean, yeah.
But there are lots of products in the market. I mean, if you go to see, there are lots of imported serum or other products available. So how do you go about? Do you really personally try to see the thing, or your consultant, your hairstylist, they consult you and then you go along with that particular product?
I think it's very important to consult an expert. So I would certainly, somebody that I've worked with, somebody who I trust, I would ask them first if a new product was launched in the market. Then I would ask, for example, Kanta, and say, have you used this? And, you know, is it a good product? And I would definitely, and then of course you have to try it because everyone's hair is different. Your skin is different, so you have to see what works for you as well.
Yeah, I think it's very, like you said, I think we probably check out a lot more because we are using so many products, so much of heat treatment on the hair, that we need to be a little more careful. It's not once a week, not once a month. It is something that's happening every day. So
I just wanted to add that, you know, this,
You need to
I have
face
used
them a
many,
bit
many
more, yeah.
products, but this is, it's like a simple solution, you know, you don't have to think, you know, oh, how much does it cost? It's like very easy. It's like, you can't go wrong with it.
You can carry it in your
It's
bag
almost
as well,
like a
right?
staple, you know, it's like, it's a, all my clients.
Any more questions? I guess not.
Hello?
I think we've,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Hi, this is Pooja from Lokmat. I would like to ask both of you, Soha and Chitrangada, could you please tell us when you really had a bad hair day?
I had a bad hair month when
season, it's like
yeah.
been a bad hair season for
Yeah,
me.
I made the mistake of dyeing my hair fluorescent pink, which I don't recommend because before you dye your hair pink, you have to bleach it. And I cried for months because every time I washed my hair and I would see how much of it became so dry and brittle and then it would break. And I've sat there and I've combed my hair and I've been sobbing sitting on my couch. So I will never do that again.
I'm just coming out of a bad hair season. Actually, my hair has now become better, but you know, Kanta's smiling here because she's seen me through it. I've colored my hair too many times and they've become very brittle. And there's always been that problem and she would always give me a haircut and say, okay, now they're growing out. So I think we all do.
I think in your case, it's never been a haircut, it's been an haircut. We just have like,
I think the best
Because I
part
was trying to grow my hair.
Yeah.
That's what, you have to detangle, you have to soften the hair. So I think conditioning your hair with a serum like this, which is, you know that you're putting argan oil, which is a good thing for your hair. You're nourishing it at the same time. There's vitamin E, there's everything right with it. So for me, it is definitely a big plus, yeah.
My question is to Kanta, how far it is important to oil the hair? I mean, there are a few experts who says that we shouldn't do the, oiling and all that. But we Indians believe on that. So what is your opinion on that?
I personally feel that, you know, oiling the hair is important because it's the massage which is actually
Instant, and it shows on your hair immediately. It's an instant, and you can feel it instantly. When you put it, you can detangle your hair, so it's immediate. So that's the best part. You don't have to wait to do anything else.
the serum is for your hair. Oil is for your scalp. So not that you can't put this on your scalp, you can, but you don't need it. You just need it for your hair.
Hi, Soma Ghosh from Grey Shobha magazine. My question दोनों से है, चित्रांगदा और सोहा अली खान से, कि आपका ये साल 2014 कैसे आपने बिताया? What are the negative or positive moments? And how you welcoming the new year? Both of you. जो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बता सकते हैं.
नहीं, कुछ अच्छा था, कुछ खराब था. बहुत अमेजिंग ईयर नहीं था for me especially. It's been a bit of a rough time. लेकिन कुछ अच्छे डेवलपमेंट्स हुए हैं, कुछ अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं, कुछ एक नया काम शुरू किया है. So good things, and I'm really looking forward to 2015 क्योंकि I think a lot of things will come together for me in the coming years. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm shooting through the new year, so that's a good thing, I guess. Yeah.
I think I should change my hairstyle. I've had the same hairstyle for quite some time. No, I'm not going to go bald. Don't worry. But I'm going to do something different with my
You
hair.
see that on the computer. That's it. Leave it on the computer. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you, Soha. Thank you, Chitrangada. Thank you, Kanta, for
you.
being here with us. And thank you so much, all you wonderful people, for being here, for being part of this. So thank you once again for being part of this launch. We're so happy you're here. And I hope you have a wonderful time. Enjoy your photo. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. We appreciate it.
हम आज यहाँ पे आए हैं क्योंकि लिव ऑन मोरक्कन सिल्क सीरम आज लॉन्च हुआ है और चित्रांगदा जी और मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया गया है फॉर द लॉन्च. तो हम बहुत ही खुश हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट अभी इंडिया में अवेलेबल है बिकॉज वी केयर वेरी मच अबाउट आवर हेयर. और जो सबसे ख़ास बात इस प्रोडक्ट में है ये इंग्रेडिएंट है आर्गन ऑयल, जिससे आपके बाल डिसएंटेंगल हो जाते हैं और फिर लेस ब्रेकेज होता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट.
अच्छा, आपकी बात करें तो किस तरह से केयर करते हैं अपने बाल की, क्या कुछ करते हो केयर करने के लिए?
आई थिंक जब आप किसी कैरेक्टर को डिस्कस करते हैं कि आपको या तो यंग प्ले करना है या ओल्ड प्ले करना है, जो हेयर स्टाइल होता है इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर. सो डेफिनेटली उसके अंदर एक थॉट डेफिनेटली जाता है. तो आई कैन टेल इनफैक्ट इनकार एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जिसके अंदर आई वाज प्लेइंग लाइक अ वेरी यंग गर्ल जो एक काम करने के लिए आई है, एक अप्रेंटिस है. सो तब जो बाल थे वो अलग थे, यू नो, द कर्ल, द हेयर, द लेंथ, एवरीथिंग वाज डिफरेंट. And then when she becomes a very successful corporate person, then उसका बाल छोटे हो जाते हैं, everything becomes very clean, neat, structured. So hair is a very important part of the character, and उसके ऊपर like हम काफ़ी thought जाता है definitely जब आप play करते हैं या discuss करते हैं.
बचपन में जो है हम बाल पे, मतलब जवानी में जो है बाल पे हम बहुत कुछ अप्लाई करते हैं, और बचपन में किस तरह की मेमोरी है कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए?
एक आई रिमेंबर एक फ्रेंच ब्रेड यू नो वाज समथिंग कि मेरे को बड़ा मन करता था, एंड उसको बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगता था. एंड अर्ली मॉर्निंग यू हैव टू गेट अप, तो मैं हमेशा आई थिंक आई रिमेंबर अबाउट हाफ एन आवर जल्दी उठती थी जस्ट सो दैट आई कैन गेट माई फ्रेंच ब्रेड इन प्लेस. सो दैट्स वन थिंग आई रिमेंबर डूइंग, लेकिन अदरवाइज कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं किया स्कूल में. सो
Why only for me? You help also.
You need help on that.
Yeah, sometimes. I think कि hairstyles तो मुझे सबके अच्छे लगते हैं. I think that now everyone looks after their hair so much. To answer the earlier question, मैंने बहुत experiment किया अपने बालों के ऊपर. जब मैं college में थी तो I had purple hair, I had pink hair, and never again. अभी मैं अपने बाल को इतना for granted नहीं लेती हूँ, and I look after it a lot more. But everyone's very well groomed now in Bollywood.
अच्छा, आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर ये सिरप अगर किसी को देना होगा बॉलीवुड में,
सिर्फ नहीं सिरम
ये सीरम अगर किसी को देना होगा बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस को, तो वो कौन होगा?
सबको.
आप दोनों से जानना.
आई थिंक सबको,
Yes.
बिकॉज क्योंकि सब लोग आई नो दैट वी लुक वेरी यू नो वेल स्टाइल्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, लेकिन जब आप घर पे यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर योर हेयर, इतना हीट ट्रीटमेंट होता है, इतना प्रोडक्ट लगता है आपके बालों में एवरी डे दैट, और इतना लाइट से भी इनफैक्ट यू नो इवन द यूवी एवरीथिंग डैमेज जो होता है, यू डेफिनेटली नीड समथिंग लाइक दिस.
Absolutely. I think that I would give this to everyone, not only just the women, also some of the men have very long hair, and they should protect their hair too.
Okay.
No?
अगर फिल्मों की बात करें तो आप दोनों से आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
बिल्कुल. I'm excited about it. In fact, October 31st में मेरे बहुत लंबे बाल हैं क्योंकि मैं सरदारनी का रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ. तो I'm definitely going to be using a lot of the Moroccan silk serum for that.
अभी हम लोग शूट करेंगे, एक फिल्म है जिसका नाम है बंदूकबाज, जिसके अंदर एक बहुत ही एक सिंपल लड़की का मैं रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ जो बिल्कुल भी मॉडर्न नहीं है. तो बाल मोस्टली टाइट रहेंगे, थोड़ा ऑयल्ड हेयर है, तो उस तरह का हेयर स्टाइल है, बहुत सिंपल अपने आप. सो आई वोंट नीड अ हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट ऑन द सेट, सो सब कुछ अपने आप. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल रोल. सो उसके लिए हम शूटिंग आई थिंक इन द नेक्स्ट 1 week विल स्टार्ट शूटिंग.
Okay, last question. सवाल करना चाहूँगी. अभी 2-3 दिन पहले गौहर खान जब सेट पे शूट कर
on stage. I wanted to know जब आप लोग sets पे होती हैं, shoot करते हैं, कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है ऐसे कोई incidents होते हैं या कितना safe महसूस करते हैं shooting के दौरान जब आप लोग sets पे होते हैं?
देखिए मैं सिर्फ कह सकती हूँ मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है लोगों ने मुझे बहुत इज्जत के साथ ट्रीट किया है एंड आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस इंसिडेंट
I didn't know this. Yeah, I didn't know about
बाजार में तो हर हमेशा अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट आते ही रहते हैं तो आप क्या क्राइटेरिया रखते हैं नया प्रोडक्ट लेने से समय
आई थिंक एक जो चीज़ हम हमेशा जो मैं खुद सोचती हूँ कुछ खरीदने से पहले कि ये क्या कंपनी है, क्या मदर कंपनी है जो उसको बैक कर रही है, किस तरह का एक R&D होना चाहिए एक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, क्या क्रेडिबिलिटी है उस कंपनी की, जो मदर कंपनी होती है. सो डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड केयरफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू बाय. सो एक वो है और जैसे अगर हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है जिनके पास मैं हमेशा जानती हूँ जैसे कांता हैं, so they definitely know better about hair products because वो इतने इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So I would ask her.
थैंक यू जस्ट वन लास्ट थिंग आई एम सॉरी वो बीच में रह गया था मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ आप लोगों ने इंसिडेंट सुना नहीं है बट अगर ऐसी कोई चीज़ होती है हाउ डू यू रिएक्ट टू सच अ थिंग शी इज अ लेडी एंड शी वाज शूटिंग ऑन द सेट शी वाज surrounded with a lot of people crew member also and if something like this happens on set how do you react to it?
If something like this happens on set or in private, I'm obviously against violence against women or violence against men, violence. in general.
Violence as such, I think it's ridiculous if something like this happened. मुझे पता नहीं ऐसा क्या हुआ है, लेकिन अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा उसकी जो भी वजह रही हो, लेकिन this is absolutely wrong and not acceptable. तो should take strict actions. मतलब, yeah, I would say.
Okay, thank you.
I totally agree.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's wonderful to have you here with us, and I think it's a real honor and pleasure.